Hi, beautiful. I'm so glad you're here. And because you're here, then I know that you want to know the secret to manifesting faster, especially when using your vision boards. Well, I'm here to tell you exactly how to do that. I have been using vision boards for years. I won't tell you how many because then that will really tell you my age. But trust me when I say that vision boards absolutely do work. However, when you add this one extra component to your vision board, when your vision board parties or to your vision board sessions, you're going to find that you're going to be able to manifest so much faster than you normally would just by doing the vision board alone, at least in my experience. So this technique I'm about to share with you is a must-have. It's a must-have for me. It's a must-have for many of my friends and other people that I have taught on how to really manifest faster when using their vision boards or even just doing it by itself. So let's go ahead and get into it. The main thing that I want you to have for manifesting faster is I need you to grab 1 or 2 sheets of paper and a pen. You can use a Remarkable tablet, so it's just like writing on paper. It feels like I'm writing on paper, but if you want, you can use your iPad or you can use some other digital type tool to write things down. That works too, but I will say that overwhelmingly, I think that pen and paper is amazing. So definitely grab pen and paper. All right, so I know you're wondering, why do I need a piece of paper and a pen? I mean, I'm making a vision board. I'm not writing out things. Well, actually, that is the secret. The secret that you want to try right now to manifest fast is scripting. So what is scripting? Scripting is where essentially you are visualizing and feeling everything that you desire with intention, and you're actually going to write in present tense the vision you set for yourself. Okay, it is a powerful, powerful, powerful manifesting tool. It is so powerful that there's not much that I do without scripting first. Like, I'm probably more likely to script before I even create a vision board. Like, the vision board can come much later, but that scripting is coming right now for whatever it is that I want. So now that you know the secret to manifesting faster, let's talk about the anatomy of scripting so that you do it right. There's a way to do it so that you are drawing things to you. What I love about scripting is that when you combine it with the vision board, essentially you're setting intentions and you are getting into the moment before you even touch a piece of a magazine, cut out anything, or place a sticker on your board. When you start being intentional, what happens is you start to vibrate at a higher frequency. And we all know that when you're vibrating at a higher frequency, you're attracting things to you. You're attracting the things that you want to you that much faster. So that's why scripting is so powerful. When you're scripting, everything must be written in present tense. So what do I mean by that? You don't want to write, I want a silver Lexus SUV. See, the key word there, I want, is not present tense. What you want to use is, I have a silver Lexus truck. I am financially abundant. I am manifesting my dream life. Everything must be in present tense. If you feel like you can't say, I am wealthy, or I am a nurse, if you can't say that, then try saying, I am becoming wealthy. I am becoming a nurse, if that's going to be believable for you. Because one of the things with whether you're creating a vision board or whether you're scripting is that you have to believe it deep within yourself. You want to believe it. If your heart isn't fluttering just a little bit, or your stomach isn't bubbling just a little bit with joy and enthusiasm and just this pure desire of want, then you might want to check yourself and see, is this something I really desire? Or am I wanting what everybody else wants, or what I think I should want? If that's the case, then definitely reevaluate and then get back in realignment, because those things that I just described, you'll be able to feel it within your body when you desire it. Okay, so now you know you want to use present tense. The next thing is you want to show gratitude. You want to be thankful for all the things that have already manifested for you in this present tense, and you want to definitely write that out. So here's an example. I am so thankful that my beautiful silver RX 380 Lexus SUV is sitting right outside of my home right now. It is so beautiful and amazing to me how it's manifested and come into my life. I absolutely love it. What I just did was I stayed in the present tense, but then I also expressed gratitude. So I am already expressing thankfulness for something that maybe in the physical realm I can't see, but I already know in the spiritual realm it's done. It's done because I desire it, because I want it, and I've put it out there, and so therefore I shall receive. So that's how you want to approach that. Of course, I'm going to reiterate it again. Make sure you're writing in the present tense. The next thing is allows your strong feelings and emotions to take over. I want your desires to be so strong that you feel it all throughout your body. What that does is that your body is vibrating. It's vibrating because it is so excited about the things that you want. It is basically going into a mode that is saying, you know, hey, this is mine. Hey, this excites me, and you're vibrating and you're attracting that thing. That's what's taking that energy up higher and higher. So definitely have strong feelings and emotions as you're writing. And then finally, be descriptive with your words. Paint the picture. Remember, this is a vision board. Just like with the vision board, we're visualizing. When you're writing and impressing the subconscious mind through your written word, you are also visualizing in your mind as well. So that same Lexus that I have, I would say I am so thankful and so excited to have my beautiful silver Lexus SUV that rides so smooth and glides down the highway as if I am flying. It is like silk around my body when I'm sitting in those leather seats. It just hugs me and caresses me to the point that I can't figure out if I'm on my couch or if I'm actually in my car. All I know is that I am truly thankful for having it. If it's a person that I'm wanting to manifest or I'm wanting to manifest love in my life, I am so thankful for all the love that surrounds me. My heart skips a beat every single time I think about the love of my life that stands in front of me every single day, that cares for me, that looks after me, that protects. I am so lucky to have this man or to have this woman in my life. But listen, I can go on and be descriptive of just about anything that you can desire, but that's what I want you to do. I want you to feel it and I want you to write it out. So here's a pro tip. What I love about scripting was that you get to brain dump. You get to basically, before you start tackling your vision board, sitting there for hours trying to figure out what am I going to put on there, or going through magazines, not really having a clue as to what you truly desire. What this does is it allows you to say, what is it that I really want? What is it that I'm really seeking? So what I want you to do is take one of those pieces of paper and I want you to just start writing out the things you desire. That's it. So if it is a television, write down the television and what type of television. If it is a husband or if it's a wife, write down husband, write down wife. So write down all the things that you desire. Just write the list of what you desire. Once you have that list, then I want you to start writing in present tense. I am, and I have, and I'm thankful. I want you to take all those things, write them in present tense, and then provide all the color, all the adjectives, the scenery, the places. I want you to write all of that down in its present tense, and that essentially is your scripting. After you've done all of this, guess what you've done? You have now created the blueprint for your vision board. You can now roll into your vision board with ease. You don't have to sit over there struggling. You already know what it is that you want, especially if you're doing a digital board like on Canva or Pinterest. All you have to do now is just search for those images of whatever it is that you like and print, put it on your, actually copy and paste, put it on your digital board and call it a day. Bam, vision board done. Now, if you're doing a traditional vision board, now you know what to look at when you're looking through the magazines. You're looking for specific things in the magazine. That gives you focus. Now you're intentional. It's not haphazard. You're intentional about what it is that you want and your desires. And you know what? That is one of the keys to manifesting, is knowing what it is you want and having intention and then putting inspired action behind it. So bam, you're done. And that's it. That's the secret. That is the one vision board secret that you absolutely have to try now. So I'm going to leave you with this. Try the scripting that I just described to you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you've done scripting before, drop your experiences in the comment. Let us know. Inspire us. I would love to hear from you, and I'd love to answer any of your questions. So with that being said, I have a saying, which is, when you create your vision, or when you write your vision, you create your world. This is your world. Be inspired to live the life that you've always dreamed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm your girl, Natalie. I look forward to seeing you next time.